Out here at the farm, getting ready to have my buddy help me out do some stuff. Probably got the money to pay him, and so we're gonna try to get rid of some of these fucking trees today. So let's do it before and after. Got him in the skiddy. Getting ready to take out all this shit. So here we go. God damn, I want one of those. I get so much shit done out here with one of those. That's my life goal, I guess, right there for now. I want a skid steer. I think it's fucking sweet. Alright, I'll check back in here in a while. An hour of work. Made some pretty good progress so far. They're just so tall and big. Thing just disappears in there. That's one of the brush piles. I think it's going to be fun to burn. Got a lot done. He was out here for 2 hours of work. He kicked ass today. He's almost done now though. Another few minutes, he'll be calling it quits. Out there, if it'll focus. Reclaimed a nice little chunk of the field. Most of these trees were like 10-15 feet tall. Huge piles of brush. Gonna have some fun fires. Getting rid of all that shit. So peaceful out here. Alright guys, see you next time.